partiers, it is your girl Tiffany back at you again with another video. And today, you guys, I am going to be showing you this easy DIY dinosaur treat project you can do. I'm gonna be making some dinosaur themed marshmallow pops, you guys. So stay tuned for this video and let's jump right into it. Okay, you guys, so we are going to jump right into this video. First things first, what you're going to need to do your marshmallow pops. I have bought some campfire marshmallows, the giant ones. See, they say giant roaster marshmallows. This is what I'm going to use, but you can use the medium-sized ones. And if I were using the medium-sized ones, I would put 2 on 1 straw because they're so small. I would double it up so it would look better, and it would be well, basically look better, you guys, if you double them up. But you can do single ones if you want. It's your choice. So the marshmallows you're gonna need, I have got black candy melts by Wilton, and I have some red ones, you guys. These are the colors that I'm using, red and black. Of course, your straws, and these are my straws that I made. If you guys haven't seen the video on how to make these, make sure you go watch it. You're going to need your coconut oil, and I am going to put a ½ teaspoon in my candy melts when I melt them. I usually pour like a ½ cup of candy melts in my Pyrex glass, and then I put a ½ teaspoon of coconut oil in there. It helps the chocolate melt better to me, so that's why I do it like that, you guys. And then I have jelly beans, and I know it's not Easter, but I'm going to use these on my marshmallow pops, and I'm going to use them as dinosaur eggs, because you see they got the little spotted jelly beans in there too, you guys. So I'm going to put some of these on top of my marshmallow pops, or on my marshmallow pops somewhere. But let's jump right into this video. So first things first, I am going to open my marshmallows. And yes, I got on my handy dandy glove, you guys. So let me open these marshmallow pops up. And I'm just going to take them and I'm going to line. I got my baking sheet lined with wax paper. I'm going to place them like that on my baking sheet. And the big ones are going to look so nice, you guys, on those straws. Okay, so I have lined my pan with marshmallows. Now I'm going to melt my chocolate, and I will be back to drizzle. Okay, you guys, so I have melted my chocolate. So now I'm going to take my Wilton drizzle spoon, and I'm going to do red. I'm going to drizzle red across these first, you guys. Okay. I'm going to go back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. Then I'm going to do these right here. And I'm just going to use the same technique. Back, forth, back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. So it depends on how much red or whatever color. I shouldn't say red. I'm using red. Duh. Okay. It will depend. It depends on how much of of the candy melt you want on your marshmallow pop. So I'm going to leave it like this. And I'm going to do, when this dries, some black over it. So I will be back, you guys, to drizzle my black. Okay, you guys, so I have my black melted, and I'm going to drizzle it over the red. And you got to kind of work quick with this because I got to put the jelly beans on here too. So I'm going to try to work quick with this. Okay. Try to get that one. Okay. So let me grab some jelly beans I got in here. And let's see how this goes. I'm going to have to place them on there, you guys. And since I'm using jelly beans, I kind of got to place them on here. See, some of them are falling off, but we're gonna get them on there. They're going on here. Oh yeah. And I'm just kind of placing them. Placing them on here, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna pour some on here because I keep getting ugly colors. Okay, let's try some red. Okay, you guys. So I have put jelly beans all over these marshmallows right here. And I'm going to do these two. I'm going to try to work quick with my jelly beans. And I'm just placing them on here. And I'm just gonna let them sit and dry on this chocolate. And I'm gonna go on to the next two. Put some more jelly beans. And yeah, it is a little time consuming, you guys. But I know how I want them to look, so I'm willing to spend the time on doing them. Okay, and one last one, you guys. Right here. This one. Okay. All right, you guys. So let me give you a look around. Just one moment here. Let me take my camera down. See, you guys, I got my jelly beans on there. And I'm gonna call these Dinosaur K-Pops. Okay, now I'm going to add my toppers when these dry, and I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, you guys, so my marshmallow pops have dried, and I got my straws all ready to go. So let's stick our straws in. Get my pan ready over here. Okay, so I'm going to take one of my straws. I'm going to turn my marshmallow pop upright, and I'm going to stick it down in there. Gonna put it over here on my baking sheet, you guys. I'm gonna move along to the next one. Yeah, just my camera down so you guys can see. Just gonna stick my straw in the middle. Move it over to my baking sheet. And like I said, these were fairly easy, you guys. The only really hard part was sticking the jelly beans on there, because they're the jelly beans are big. So to get them to stick, it's a lot. Well, not a lot, but it takes time. You gotta be patient with it. See? Okay. It's another pop. Got my stick. guys. And I'm going to continue to stick my sticks in the marshmallow pops and move them over to my baking sheet, guys. And I will be back to show you the results. Okay, you guys, so here are the finished marshmallow pops. So these are my Dinosaur Cave marshmallow pops. So now, you guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap mine up in the little plastic bags and tie them. But, you guys, like I said, another easy DIY treat. So, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys, to my channel. And like I always say, I will party with you guys next time. Bye.